How to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Facebook Pixel to your Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your Shopify and we want to add a Facebook Pixel. So for that, let's go to Facebook first and generate a pixel. So on your Facebook, you just have to log into your Facebook and get to your page, and you're here on your page, and now you actually want to create a pixel. So for that, you'll open up your Facebook Events Manager. Right here, we have Events Manager, and in Events Manager, we have Connect Data Source. Click on Connect Data Source, and now you have to select Web. Once you select Web, then you will click on Connect. Now we have to enter our pixel name. So I'm going to call it Facebook Pixel. Click on Create Pixel. And now we have to enter our website URL right here. So you will actually enter your Shopify URL right here. You can see they even used Shopify as an example. So you just go to your Shopify store and get your URL and paste it right here. There you go. We have our URL. Click on tick. Next, and now we have two options. We can actually go with a conversion API and metapixel, and this one as well. So we're gonna select the first one and click on next. Set up with partner integration or set up with conversion API, set up manually. So we can actually get with any of these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set up manually. Click on continue, and now we're gonna select different options from here, whatever we want to do. Then you will simply set it up. It's very easy to do. You'll just click on next and continue, and after that you will get your own Facebook pixel. So we have it. Now I'll move on to Shopify. Now on Facebook we can actually connect Shopify directly as well, but I'll show you how to add a pixel to Shopify directly. So you will need to go to Shopify App Store and search for pixel. And there you go, we have different pixel options available. We have Facebook Pixel and TikTok Pixel, Vitals, then we have Facebook Pixel again. So all of these different options are available. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with the first one. This will allow me to add multiple pixels, such as for Google Ads. Then we have Facebook Pixels, TikTok Pixel as well. I will click on Add App and add it to my Shopify. Once I add this app to my Shopify, I will be able to simply add a pixel to my this pixel app right here on Shopify, and I will be able to connect my Facebook pixel to my Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.